In this video, I will talk about working sets, which is a feature that supports product line engineering processes. First, we'll create a working set from or based on our default working set. Our default working set is our 150% specifications, so basically all of our sets. After creating our working set or variant, we'll do some changes on the default working set, then merge those changes to our newly created variant. Then, after that, we'll do some changes on our 100% specifications, then merge it back to our 150% specifications, so to our default working set. So here I am on a Codebeamer project, and currently on the top right corner I can see that I'm in the default working set, so in my 150% specifications. I already have two working sets created, variant A and variant B. And now I will create a new working set which will be based on variant A, because we cannot only do working sets for one level, but also we can go multiple levels down. So let me just do that. I will go into variant A, and then I can create a derived working set from variant A with this little button here. Name should be variant A, B. I'll choose a color, click on next. And here I can define which trackers should be included in my working set and which should not. So I think it would make sense to exclude customer requirements, or we can include customer requirements, but we can also make it shared. So that would mean that our customer requirements will always be our 100% specifications, because we have to fulfill them anyways. And then from the system level, we can create variants or product lines. Please note that I can create a working set version based on a baseline. I can also exclude trackers from my working set, but now I will just make change requests shared, releases also shared, tasks as well, and that's all. Currently we are already in a working set, so basically you will see that not all of the trackers are already included in this working set. For now, I don't want to exclude anything further. But now I will just click on next. I will get a preview of my working set. And without further ado, I will just click on create. Now we've got a notification that our working set is created. I promise you to show that if I go out to my 150% specifications, then you will see a bigger list of trackers. So now if I go into variant AB, then you can already see that I have less trackers in the list. Now let me just go into system requirements, where I will get notification that, hey, please be noted that you are in a variant or a working set. I will just click on OK. And now in my 100%, I will just go ahead and do some changes. For example, I can just change this items type to functional, assignee. I will change this item's ACL value and I will add a new item. Great. Now I will go into variant A, where I will also add the new item. And I will also do some changes here. Now I did some changes, so I will go back to variant A, B. If I scroll down, I will see on some items that they were updated on variant A. This one was created on variant AB. And some items were also updated on variant A. If I click on one of these badges, then I can merge these differences on this work item. But I cannot only do this item by item or field by field, but I can do it on the whole tracker. So now I just cancel this, and I can merge to the parent branch or merge from the parent branch. So let me just do that. At the beginning of the video, I said I will do this with the default working set, but now this one is a better example to do it between two variants, or a child and a parent variant. So I will just merge to the parent branch first of all. Please note that I can apply changes field by field. I can do it item by item, or I can merge all changes. The different items that were newly created must be checked as well. So now I will copy this item on variant AB to variant A. I will go for merge. And now if I go to variant A and I scroll down, then I will see that I have the item on variant AB and also the item we created earlier on variant A. Now I will merge these differences to the default working set to 150%. I will just apply all again and copy the items. Then say merge. So now, if I go to my default working set, I will have two new items created, one on variant that were created on variant A and one that was created on variant AB. I can also do some changes on the default working set. Then I can go back to variant A. So I can merge from the default working set as well. But before that, I will go back to the default working set and create a new specification there as well. This is a good case when, for example, our customer has an additional requirement, so I have to create new system requirements from it. So I will go ahead and do so. New system. Now I will go back to variant A say merge from the default working set, apply all again, copy the new system requirement to variant A. Now we have everything that we wanted on variant A, new items, also the details were copied, so this item is also functional. So our merge was successful. And this is how you can communicate between different variants, specifications, and so on.